Welcome to Parker Brent TV, where each week we present recent updates about the building and construction industry. The Property Council has released data that occupancy in Melbourne's CBD has lifted by 57%, with commuters returning to offices despite the past 2 years of remote working. Landlords of office buildings are confident about the increase of occupancy for the city, with midweek peak office return in Melbourne now the third highest in the country at 75%. The St. Collins Lane Mall will undergo an extensive renovation, which will feature a new food court, fashion precinct, and offices. Colliers have identified that Melbourne's CBD is currently in high demand post-COVID, with national and global fashion brands requiring space within the precinct. $28 billion will be pledged by the Andrews government to the project in order to rejuvenate the city of Melbourne. Renovations are aimed to be completed by the end of 2023. Thank you for tuning in to this week's edition of Parker Brent TV. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for recent updates or to remain informed about the latest in the building and construction industry.